Right, do it.
Oh fuck, man, it's lit up.
Why
Wait.
does it look like you've got fucking Johnny Five next to your Dreamcast? Why have you done this? Why have you done this? Why have you just taken your PlayStation 2 pack?
I want to play the Japanese.
But you don't have to go this far, Carl. You don't have to. You didn't. If you had blue tack in your
I don't
house.
have to go this far.
Is there lots of sellotape there?
Look at it, it's covering the power
Sticky back plastic.
Sticky rock plastic, right?
Look, it is actually branded sellotape if you look.
Yeah, alright, chill out.
Sellotape.
It's actual, so it's not
Brand.
sticky rock plastic.
Sellotape brand.
Do you think?
Fucking, that took a bit, didn't it? I've quite frankly, Commander.
That's not wax. That's not spinning.
No, that's because when we turned it on, there wasn't a disc there. So, I don't see how we get around this. If you start it up with the disc on, it's going to recognise the disc and read it. If you start it up without the disc, it's going to look, there's no disc there, it's going to assume there's no disc, and it's not going to check again. I think.
Did you see what that command just said there? This is not an elf.
It's a dwarf.
Do you think that's funny?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I thought it was quite funny. This is not an elf, it's a dwarf.
What's the difference between an elf and a dwarf?
Call that an elf.
Dwarfs are little, elves are meant to be elegant, standing with pointy ears.
Dwarfs exist.
And dwarves all look the same.
You ever met an elf? So what did you just say? What's that? What did you just say?
Dwarves all look the same.
What do you mean?
Like I don't know before the actors. The same actor.
What?
The guy from In Bruges, he looks like he's in every film where you see a dwarf. It looks like it's him in every film.
Star Wars.
You don't see the guy playing
Willow.
Oh yeah, he's one off, but he's in Harry Potter as well.
Harry Potter.
When you post this video on Twitter, put his name and address down as well and his email
What
address.
about-
So that all the people of reduced stature can
So
find
all
you.
the dwarves are gonna come. What they're gonna fucking do? What are they gonna do? Really? Check me down with fucking ropes around my ankles and knock me over.
What, like you're in Lilliput?
Carl, enough 5-year-olds. If you had enough numbers of them, would take you down.
I don't think so. I just fucking want to smack the fucking down.